In this short video, I will show you how to create this sparkle text effect in Canva. Starting first with the background. Sparkle background, I'm looking for these elements in photos, and just add a new page. And searching for a background what I like. Try to find the same as what I used. I can use this one, increasing the size. All sides like this. And now going to the apps section and searching for a font frame, click on it, and here we can select this image, and scrolling down use selected image. Here we can add the text what we want. Now like this canvateacher. We can change the font what we want, and to get a bit better resolution, first of all, going to the outline, reducing the outline size a bit, and now going to the advanced settings to separate the letters a bit, and also the line spacing. That's already better. We also do change the alignment, but I keep it like was it before. We can zoom the image, but I don't need it now. And here are other premium options, but this one only available when you have the premium in this application. But first I just doing the same here, going to the filters and add black and white filter, and going back to the apps. Hope so I'm not losing it, what I did before. No, I still have it. And just click on add to design. And now we have this text on a design. And here is the final outcome. This is how we can create this sparkle text effect easily in Canva. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section first of all to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just have any question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list in a Facebook page, and of course in a Instagram and TikTok pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. In the description you can find also the link for my Buy Me Coffee link if you would like to support me even with the smallest amount. That will be also highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.